Drive. Who take taxi?
Yeah.
You heard it?
You drive a car?
No, but you just have a car, so what you try say? You just own one, you have one like you own a car for you, the 10-year-old.
Yeah, but when my man pick me up on a date, a car, my man pick me up in a.
And a car and pick me up right
Me
and
not drop below.
me
Him own a car, me not drop below my standard. So what you say?
What I say, we still no walk and take taxi.
You don't know, me never go in a taxi. My man car, me go in a.
And
Wait,
but any day you not try say nothing because we are public. I don't like saying did hide me.
Kiki, Jake's no why you know.
I would a girl every minute I send requests. You know why Rose jump? You know why she run? Because she realize she a lose. I true she not get no forward. I true she could.
So look how long we are at you.
How long we are there, look at girl? She have look a blood clot.
Yeah, me I from boss you know when me I send the request and not accept it. My boss and I
said you know what? You take a girl, man.
You know, me tell you say cloth, no man run down. Woman, I want drinks, you know. A piece of cloth here. A piece of cloth here.
Hey girl, tapping eyes.
Don't come shut me up. I write blood
Shut
clot.
up.
Come
Shut
me
up. Who you?
You don't want
Who
drinks.
is
A piece
Fallon?
of cloth here run
Yo,
down.
yo,
Remember say you did
yo.
fall off already, you know. Remember say you did dash your way already, you know. So it's a comeback,
Who
y'all.
dash me away? Who dash
It's
me
a
away?
comeback. The internet.
Who dash
The
me away?
internet dash your
Who
way.
dash me away?
The
You
internet.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, that was one long introduction, my people. Yes, I know, but me did want fun to forget the vibes of what I want for to go on because it's no say new series kick off. I already know how the last one did end off with Jakes. This is my say, putting out the comment section where you think about the people them say Kiki no want the people them man and things and things. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know Rose said the same exact thing no. This is my say, but in a sense that Jakes don't want Kiki, Jakes want Rosealee. Boy, I don't know, you know, because the girl Kiki looks sweet, you know. And she said she would give a boy a front just to win this thing. You see my say, so I don't know if it's real or not, my people, but let's listen to the plot. You see my say, because as you can see, Jake's woman introduced herself to Rosealee and let her know say she got their own the picnic them and things. And you know Rosealee did quite nice when we first blow out her initial reaction. But you know when she go live with the girl, you know what I mean, things take a turn, you know my people. They take a turn, you know.
That's why you're saying. So you're saying.
It's where they done the date with Jake's. Jake's call me. But tell her who go. Jake's and Jake's brother. As two other smarty.
And which two other
You
person?
need to listen. It's when they done the date, him call my phone.
Yeah, because you're baby mother.
Listen. You have to listen. You have to listen.
Listen, why the man don't want you? You say you're done. Why are you so pressed?
Because you want an argument. You know no sense, you know. You want an argument. When the man done the date with the man call me. You know, if he say me and Kiki there, I ain't up him phone.
Guys,
I pay off me a laugh. You
guys,
know, give me the kind of sense. I feel clout here, look to blood clot.
What you mean,
if he say, I'm left Jakes and Kiki.
Which you left Jakes? So you did a crash?
I'm left Jakes.
When?
I'm left him.
When?
I'm left Jakes.
I know, say delusional.
Triple chop.
Triple.
I'm left Jakes.
Triple.
I'm left Jakes Kiki. I'm left him. Some people want somebody on my left.
So you press if the man want me, yes or no?
No business the man want you, baby. I'm glad me glad for you now.
What?
I'm glad for you. I'm not busy with you, baby.
Oh.
I'm glad for you.
Triple shot, triple.
You go like a Drake's left me. I'm left Drake's, baby. I might reject your pickup.
Eh? Well, I care what I say the man want me.
Am I well happy for you and that man?
Well, it's why we are go battle for that.
No, you, me and you.
Because then at the day he come here, so he come back, you still go accept him. You still a call phone.
When Jakes are there?
Are you first call Jake's phone? You go like him and did a call
I
on the
called
phone.
Jake to fix my Wi-Fi to do my work. What are you talking about?
So what you talk say?
You don't have to block you.
So how comes him a call your phone to fix Wi-Fi?
Hello, listen. Shh.
Why you never call him?
We're not going to argue. You're going to listen because we're not going to argue. You're going to listen. Me call Jake's phone to fix my Wi-Fi because I don't know what to eat. What they want in our work? Listen. Listen now. You have to listen now.
Yeah.
Listen. I call him to fix the Wi-Fi because it never work when they don't know what to eat. Him pop out one, him take out the card and put up the other card. Today when it not work, I call him back. I say, look, if the card want change or something. But I realize I just have a technical difficulty. What you mean by?
You know make no sense.
What do you mean make no sense?
Because you say you have new man and you don't want the man. Why you call him man? Why you don't want? Why you not call him man to come fix it?
I can't use him. He's my baby daddy. I can't call him and use him at any time. He's my baby daddy.
Use what?
Yes, use him. He's my baby daddy.
Use him how? You're delusional, you know.
Are you delusional?
Are you delusional? So make you could call your man.
No, I can use my baby daddy come there nearer.
But he wasn't available.
Kiki, the boy coming to my house before him go at you.
No, but when me the family there, me see you call. You me see call.
How did I eat that girl? Yeah?
You call him man when we was on date.
Liar,
so stop that like you not call him man.
Listen, now come and I go argue the kind of
and him call you first.
Listen, no man, you have to listen. Come and I go argue.
Listen what? Listen what? You call him and I was there and I told him answer.
Him even call me.
Snipe.
I want to call him.
Guys, snipe, please.
So you argue over Jakes?
Yes, obviously. Because you're trying to tell me say man no want me.
Chad, thanks.
Thanks everybody.
We argue over Jakes.
Because you're going like the man no want me.
The man want Kiki.
Me's a good stepmother. Cause why? Cause what?
Him want you.
Yes, accept it.
Yeah.
Yes. At least the man never hide me income with. You cannot win Rosealee. You can't win.
You win. Kiki, you win.
Yes, because NIDF, me take him on, me go live public and everything when me can never pull up. Yeah, go and let me take him man and do it as a secret. It was public. First triple threat. It was public.
Yeah, tell the man public. Kiki, take the man public, yeah.
Yeah, and?
Nothing. Not worry, baby.
Oh, because if a man don't want me, guys, make it make sense. We are make some things make sense over here. So the man don't want me, and you the man want. Okay, are you in my use and whatever you want, put it as. Why did he came out public?
It's not about me, baby.
You know see how fast.
Say want you.
He want me.
Alright, he want you.
Alright. And tomorrow 9 o'clock he's gonna be here.
Okay, alright.
And okay. Just want to know. Come. What are not tracks? Cause if a man never want me, the man would hide me. He don't hide me. The whole world see. Yes, if he did that take me and nobody don't know I say Kiki him live.
Get your speed.
And Kiki, I think that is Alia problem, not mine.
Who is Alia? Cause if Alia want a Jake's girl, a dead girl that again, or if you have your man and the next girl out with your man publicly.
I don't argue me stop me,
Oh no, no make no sense. Because an idea, if a man no want me still win, triple me still win. Thanks. If I feel a minute, me still win a year.
Triple guys, come on, chop.
Me go public with the man.
Use the triple chop. Chop no get no over here saying no and me put in the work.
The man go public.
Triple chat.
Then I have my man and he go public with the next girl. Friend he go public with the next girl. All argument done.
Triple chat.
No man no respect me. So now dead girl in a show, be a dead girl a flip up them bats. And do them dead again.
Triple chat.
And do them dead again.
Kiki, you know what you miss?
What me I miss?
You know what you miss?
What me I miss?
And me first go on date when me there with Jakes. So I mean I want him. You know
and
Triple.
And
him why you?
Now go show you one. How much years I say you're there with Jakes? Now go teach
But
you
now
one little lesson. Now go show you this.
Yeah.
Now go show you say one man take 10 years to do for you and can do it in a 1 week. Just relax and enjoy. Show you go to woman one from woman no one.
So if Jakes why Kiki I don't care.
So where you flip up your butt for? Where you talk
for? My butt?
Where you flip up your butt? You flip your butt right now.
Me flip up my butt?
Yes.
Like you're not. Kiki,
you push out your butt for dead.
Kiki, there's a chat, because you have mouth, you know me, you not get what me I say. You not get what me I say, girl, you don't.
Why you try, say?
There's a chat, so.
Alright,
But which bat? What is wrong with you, girl?
Oh, talk.
Like, you don't. You're a fucking idiot or you don't. What is wrong with you? Are you slow or something?
So make it pipe.
If you play the match to them, I never want to hear about Jakes. You can't buy them, I want to hear. When I play the match, I just jump and end my life. I soon to back again anyway. Like a drunkard, you just a chat. So, like a clout, you look or something. Yes, a clout, you look. You hear that? Girl, me not feeling so Jakes are more that even when I fuck, that's why I left him. So I don't know what I talk about. I'm like, when I fuck boy, I feel him. I'm not feel Jakes. That's what I'm telling him, I not feel him. What's wrong with you?
But Jakes been
girl, why you chat too much?
Jakes been have no feeling for your beer. They can't carry one pound you. You can't argue with me. Because I used to say once when Jakes come home, him been a carry dead cocky come give you. Where you run for? The man gone long time. Remember say the man would never stand up for you or what you say. Yeah, bad girl you run. Remember say you come out publicly come talk in a public. Oh, when Jakes come home, the cocky there, you not feel nothing, so it been gone. Just lose it before you lose it. So make it make sense. You not for run girl, turn up. Cause you feel like say you're a big bad wolf. And you can walk and bully every girl on the internet. You can't bully me. When the boy they run me cocky turn up right through, buff up. So what you try say? The only thing you can do is loud. Argue with every other girl. You cannot argue with me. And any girl who are in a picture cannot argue with me. Because from the moment you have your man and your man go public with the next girl, you lose. No matter what you say. Whether the man want the girl, yes or no, we been get a hype. So any idea when you not say this and say that, you're an idiot girl. And if your man did want me for a minute as a bad girl, sure no, and in your hometown, I can take your man too. In your hometown, pull up on a boy. Why you never do something? Me know they must call your phone. Me know you must see it.
Angle.
Yeah, try say.
Angle.
And even if your man using me for 1 hour, me been win. Because if my man have a girl, and my man go to that girl publicly, me have nothing to say, me rest my case, girl, you win. Give me my title now. Give me that.
Angle.
Angle, bangle, dangle. Where you run for? Normally you argue with girl 40 days and 40 nights. You have for 5 minutes. That's how quick you dead. Can't argue with that Gemini. Me I want you. Younger virgin of you. Slimmer virgin of you. Prettier virgin of you. More flexible virgin of you. The girl that can cook. The girl that can clean. Because you don't have no
Clap that.
You don't have a cleanliness in you. You're dirty, bad. Dirty. You're a dirty old big woman. I know me go down in a more deal tears, you know. Cause don't make me leg on my tongue over you say no. Do not make me leg on my tongue and go down in a more deal tears, you know. Cause the internet I go turn down for me and I go eat me. Remember says a bad man me take up, you know. My man straight. You ever hear my man? Hey, are you careless? Remember say you left from dry land gone in the sea. Shit up, oh, hey, relax. Relax. Yeah, relax yourself. Come see, take a chill pill or go take a pressure pill and go sleep. You hear that? Oh, make me hold it. Make me hold. Oh, shallow the brakes, y'all. Shallow the brakes. Shallow that blood clot. Jaden run a match. Triple guys. First triple guys. First, who win who are guys? Who win? Who win Jaden? Teacher, who win? Who win who are teacher?
I don't know, I don't want to lose my friend.
Thanks everybody. Look how we win the war calm and deadly with a smile. Meanwhile, you're over this hype up yourself. Give them a smile, Kiki. Hey, win a smile. One team warriors are never 2 nor 3. One team warriors, we left smiling. We not left crying. And when me don't look on my bed, Rose. So, yeah, you need to look on my bed. And that's me I go sleep comfortable tonight. Yeah, go no blood pressure and go sleep peacefully. Peacefully. Tonight when I got your bed, Rose, a beer nightmare, you have to dream about me. You have to dream about me. I'm 28 years old, looking like a 19-year-old.
Kiki, are people bed still? I can't too sure people in bed.
Me still appearing for. Everybody said, and I say, you know, if you humble me, everybody said a rose. Everybody said a rose. Everybody said a rose. 12 rose, everybody, quick and fast, please.
Kiki, y'all learn fast though.
Eh?
I learn fast though.
I am a teacher.
So like, would you give your teacher a fuck?
You know, so you cause all of this?
Me?
Yes.
What me do?
Triple threat. Everybody use it triple. Dead girl. Rose, you're dead. You're
Niggas, one more, me not see it. Me not see it. Niggas, one more, me not see it.
Me bad mind.
Damos.
Guys, one puss pitney, please. Guys, puss pitney, please.
Me no like when you just get broke all of a sudden, you know.
Guys, one puss pitney, please. Jaden win bad mind and take over. Guys, wanna give
Tell Jake, see your Wi-Fi want fix too.
Me not have no Wi-Fi yet, my dear. Triple, guys. Triple. Jaden. She over there crash out, you know.
She a crash out?
Bad.
And you cause that jelly.
I'm going to listen to your advice, you know. I'm going to do me hair, I'm going to do my nails. Guys, don't send a gift. What kind of hair I want? Deep wave, loose body, what curly, what kind?
I know me if you want it, Jake, you want it, you give me front.
But yeah, my teacher, what you say count? Anybody what they are Portmore what do nails? Anybody in Portmore do nails, guys, bright and early tomorrow morning? Me have to go cancel my date with GX. Me have to go look pretty. Anybody what they are Portmore do nails? Leave the man baby mad me not care. Rose says she don't want the man, so why me feel leave the man? And she says she don't want the man, and I like somebody take the man when she was in a relationship. She always accompany internet about beer rice and me see good food and more experience it. And true, me never want no bad blessing for me. Me just sit down and wait. And I pray to God. And them leave. And when they leave, I took the opportunity. And Melissa did me a good thing because if storm never blow, me would have the man. I choose storm blow and lick off my roof a country and lick down my board house. I mean, I have no light, I mean, I have no water, I mean, I have nowhere to live. My fly come a town. I say, alright, then Kiki, going at the girl hometown. GX not even know, say me they pull up, me they go pull up. I'ma just pull up and take the man. And GX have to stay here so forever, ever. Because me I go grip him, me I go arch in my back, and GX I go walk with me so make sure he's strong. And GX can brace me against the wall. And me can't slide down on the edge of bed and me now go drop like breadfruit. Me can't do this. Tell Rose to do this. Do this. On the edge, girl, on the edge, do this. And said so. And all of that. And all of that. And all the good stuff. Okay. Remember say me can take up and walk around. Remember say me petite. Remember say me come in an extra small package. Remember say extra small package. You should look business about who the man want from who the man no want. If me have a man and a man done with me no business about who you want, yes or no. Me just relax and watch ride. You come push out your body.
Continue talk, man.
Yeah, you come push out your button dead. Big bad Rose. Oh my God. OMG. Fun size. I remember me always a talk about would me fuck for win. Me no care about nobody else. Me fuck for win. Oh, so when me a give a boy my front, me do it for prove a point. Cause a boy never get one a movie yet. Never. Me too tight for that and me smell too good for that. Oh.
Top of the that girl now yard there.
Eh?
Adna youth. Jump off of that one. You want to follow and jump off of that one.
Eh?
Yeah, them man.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, Rosealee did in her feelings earlier when, the things them they go around that, homegirl they go pan dinner date with Jakes. And she they take out her frustration pan Candy system. So if you know what for say more of that, you know what for do, go on my Kingmixup channel and do the right thing, you see me? Subscribe to all of my platforms, then turn on the notification bell there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.